As you can see, it's nothing but white. Here, I got my snow boots on, a pair of sweatpants. It's up to my knee. I mean, it's like this everywhere. It's my front yard. Where's my garbage can? It's buried almost. Well, they said 18 to 24 inches of snow. I'm guessing that we got about 16, but these snow drifts are unbelievable. I mean, this trailer park, it was just plowed, but see, like, the sides. This is Bridgeview, Illinois, suburb of Chicago. Wonder where Bill's car is. I just got off the phone with him. Whew. See, you got a good neighbor like Casey who shovels. You got that little snow blower. And he didn't even plow his own driveway, but he did plow his neighbor's. This is just, I mean, unbelievable. The blizzard's still going on. This is ridiculous. Ooh-wee! It's cold! The weather's probably about 5 degrees. Video, buddy, video!
Shit.
What, are you working with Casey?
Nah, he's just doing a few bounds by him. I just made a pet by me right now.
I mean, this is bushes, and
man.
You can't even see.
We knew it was coming, man. Fuck.
Yeah, but the weather people are always wrong.
they said in the paper this side they're not going to be wrong. If we just stop snow so we get rid of this shit.
Yeah, right? Fuck. If these plow trucks would stop.
I know. They fucking put everything back. You shovel, they put everything back over there.
Yeah. Fuck. So it's like it's almost like you want to wait until it stops snowing.
Yeah, I know.
But my wife's got to be to work at 7 o'clock in the morning, and there's no way she's getting out of the driveway.
I went to Tony. Tony's was open. The office over here was closed. You go pay rent. Walk over for nothing.
Did you drop it in the slot?
No, I didn't do that. Fuck that. I'll make sure you get it.
Wow, this is.
I'll go get it tomorrow.
Yeah. This is something, boy.
I know a couple old people, you know, and I see if they need help.
All right, buddy.
You're Gary, right?
Yeah.
I remember.
This is just mounds and mounds and mounds of snow. There's the trailer park. Plowing, doing their best to block my driveway. Ooh-wee. I mean, look at this snowbanks.
You want to see a big ass snowbank? Go like 2 keyholes down.
Can I jump in the back? Can you give me a ride?
Nah, I'll get in trouble. I can't put no.
Hey, can you unblock my driveway? All the plows block my cars in.
I know, that's what we're all doing. It's not priority today.
So when we shovel it, we can shovel it back out to the street?
No, you just gotta shovel it. Make a little pass to the car base. We're just making a pass on the roads.
Okay. Gee, thanks.
No, it's too much, but I ain't gonna do anymore. I do my own.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going, and we want to see, look at this. I'm probably only going to video for a total of like 7 or 8 minutes. I want to see the natural stuff. Like the...
Asshole, you fucking parked by the fence where I got a plow. Lucky I don't fucking plow in there. Pile back there.
Nice. Where's that snowbank you said? Okay.
Fucking huge.
Where's that? Down one of the aisles?
Yeah, down at the end of the aisle.
Okay, so we're gonna go check out this snowbank. They're saying that this is the biggest snowbank that they've ever seen. So we're on our way. Ooh, is that the one? That is pretty big. Oh, wow. Look at that back there. Ooh wee. Looks like a mountain. You know, like if you're driving and you see the mountains on the horizon, and they don't look very big until you get on top. But there's probably about 9 feet of snow. Hey, you like how the snowplow's got us blocked in? You like how the snowplow's got us blocked in?
I love it.
This is ridiculous, ain't it?
Yeah.
But don't pay your rent on time and watch what happens. Now, if you can't get to work or something, you know, think they're going to give you any leniency? Nope.
Yeah, I don't like the way they did it.
I was just talking to a plow guy, and he goes, yeah, we're just making pass for priority just so people can get through. You know, there's no...
Oh, it's so we can get through.
Yeah. If you can't even get out of your driveway. Yes.
That's why she don't have to work till tomorrow morning, so
Yeah, this is...
I'll get in and out of it.
Yeah, I'm paying the neighbor kid to do ours. I'm $10-15, something like that. I'm not busting my back, and
Yeah, I don't have nothing.
I mean I don't have like the covering, but just the end, you know. The carport. Oh wow! Yeah, the snow drifts. Yeah, I mean, this wind was horrendous last night. I was up until 3 o'clock in the morning because it was rattling the windows and everything.
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy.
Yeah, I'll go all night.
Look at that snowbank in the back there, though.
Yeah, I know it.
It's about, what, 10 feet? See, like, I mean, it's just, wowee. Yep. All right, YouTube, 8 minutes. Signing off. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy winter. It's February 2nd. And it's colder than a witch's titty out here.